I have added this entity to my model, like yeah, actually it is delete AP, no problem. Let me go back to my access permission routes. Here I have added the entity path to this function. Now I need to get this entity value from the access permission usage. Here I'm using the access permission. Here I can send the entity like it is a post method, post. So let me call this one post not found. Wow, that's nice. So now let me go back to my API. In this API now I'm handling this one from the middleware. I don't need to add that here. I don't need to add this here. I don't need to add this here. I don't need this encoded data. I think so. That is the amazing. Now we have only the API of the lead post method where we can check the data from the post, and we can check the ID is not invalid. We can check that the data against ID of post has exist, and we can return the error. We can check the access permission into a single this middleware, that the functionality of this delete post has been completed. So now we have created three methods of this CRUD. The fourth one is remaining, that is the update and patch method. Put and patch are related to update post. I will create it later. Now we have created three CRUDs in a single file, a maximum of code lines around about 40. So let me push the code. Git add dot git status git commit minus n feat implemented the functionality and integrated the API for post delete post. But it can be any. Git push origin main. Let me last time check it. Post not found. Get the post here. Here we have the post. This is the post ID, and post ID. Let's see if we have. If the same user has created this post. Let's check. Unauthorized. You do not have permission to perform this action, because I have added unauthorized permission here. It was a sample. So now let me go back to here. Actually this will be not in the sample file. This supermaster will also not be in the sample file. Allowed user is admin and unauthorized user is a user. Now let's actually I really don't need to add the user to unauthorized person, because user can be its own. Let me go to its usage. I shouldn't send this one. Authorize user and user roles dot user. Let's check. says forbidden. You do not have permission to perform this delete action because of what? Because you are the same, you are the different. Here in this message, I should need to send a significant response. Because you didn't, because you didn't create this post. Okay, it means to say that I am not the same user that has created this post. So let's go to here. All of the above posts would be mine. You didn't create the post. Sorry, I added it to the wrong side. So now this will be good. So let me create a post here. I have created this post. Actually the post is the last post. I think it would be. Now let's try this one. Image ID is this. Post has been deleted successfully. Wow. So let me add status. Did I add something that I shouldn't need to be added? I think no. Here still we didn't add anything that we should not be added. Git status, git add dot, git status, git commit -m feed